The technical aspect of it is really pretty simple for us because it's hosted off-site. It's hosted by BoardDocs, so we did not have to purchase equipment and or software to install, configure, and so on. We just needed to have the laptops, which we are using for board members, available and configured properly. The configuration settings were sent to us by Ari, and we had a checklist. Sherry and I both had a checklist to go through. Some of them were technical in nature and some of them weren't.
My experience with the technical support and the trainers at BoardDocs has been mostly with Ari and Lee. Ari is our trainer, and he came in and did a presentation to the board in the onset of this decision to do BoardDocs, and showed the material to the board, and they really liked it, could see a lot of savings, time, paper, and so forth. And so he set up a training and came in and did small group training first with the document publishers and the few executive readers, our assistant superintendents, and my backup in my office in case I'm out, and our IT person, and then my superintendent. And he was very, very helpful and patient in the training process, made sure he went to each person as individuals, especially myself and my backup, to make sure that we had a good grasp of working through each of the areas of creating an agenda, attaching documents, and reiterated and made sure that we were able to do it on our own before we ended the training that day. And it's about an hour and a half training, 2 hours at the most, depending on skill levels. But for the most part, it was really, really smooth, and Ari did a great job.
Implementing BoardDocs was a lot easier than most of the other products we have in our district because in most cases we have the hardware that we had to purchase, configure, and set up, and also the software. So without having to do those two items, implementing this from the technical aspect was very easy. We didn't have to do anything other than coordinate with Ari and the training to make sure that our board members were comfortable at their laptops.